Welcome back. Today's video is about IOCL Recruitment 2021. If you want to read about the details, you can check the link from the description. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for IOCL Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. Our website will give you all of the information at one place itself. Don't forget to join us to Telegram because you will get regular job updates. Link from the description. Indian Oil Corporation Limited has opened its vacancy for the recruitment of Assistant Quality Control Officers for Group A. The vacancy details and eligibility criteria is as follows. So first off, you can see that there are 71 positions available and these 71 positions are divided into category wise. So UR, SC, ST, OBC NCL, PWD and EWS. In PWD, again it is multiply divided for another disabilities as well. The qualification required is a master's degree in chemistry or its equivalent disciplines like inorganic chemistry, analytical, physical, applied chemistry or industrial chemistry. The streams which are not applicable are biochemistry, pharmacy, toxicology, geochemistry, pharmacology, food technology, etc. All of this will not be considered for eligibility. Now, whoever is belonging to general, OBC, NCL, EWS, you should have minimum 60%. All the reservation category candidates should have 55% and only full-time degree is valid. If you have done part-time, it's not under eligibility consideration. Minimum 2 years of relevant field experience or post-qualification experience is required in quality control, petroleum, petrochemical, polymers, etc. And next, experience should be as a declaration after your qualifying degree, only then it will be considered. Any experience gathered after BSc or as a short-term trainee, all of that will be not considered as a full-time experience. The responsibilities are given here, so if you are interested to read, you can check the link from the description box where it will be giving you the same notification link. So once you are appointed, you will know what are the responsibilities by reading that particular column. Age limit is given 30 years and relaxations are given. For OBC NCL is 3 years, SC ST is 5 years, PWD it is 10 years and domicile of Jammu and Kashmir it's 5 and ex-servicemen it is 5 respectively. And whoever is belonging to reservation or PWD, you have to attach relevant authorized documents. Only then the reservation will be accepted. Next, this is for PWD category. What disability is considered for what position is given here. So relevant documents are necessary and all the EWS category candidates, you should provide income asset certificate for you to take up the consideration. The next set of information is you will be sending according to the proforma all the details with your application form to be scanned and sent it to this email by 23rd of October 2021. The important dates list is given towards the end of the notification, so we can check it out. So scan your documents properly, because incomplete application or if your documents are not scanned properly, you will be further rejected. Next is after your application filling and submission, you have to pay the application fees as well. Fees is rupees 300 and SC ST PWD candidates are exempted to pay any sort of application fees. Selection process is going to be in 2 stages, written test and then group discussion or personal interview. And your admit card for the written test will be further given to the eligible candidates for after sending in your online application form and paying the details. Only those candidates have to appear for the written test, whoever is eligible. And after that, the qualifying nature of the marks is as follows. For written test it is 40 out of 100, but for reservation category candidates it is 35. But for personal interview or group discussion, all the category candidates have to get 40% for qualifying. And next is physical fitness. All the details regarding the guidelines for medical examination are given in the website. Next is the liability to declare. The declaration also should be given from the candidate itself. Pay is going to start from 40,000 ranging up to 1,40,000, a grade AO, and other allowances will be applicable. You have to sign a bond for 2,35,000 for SC, ST, OBC and PWD candidates for a minimum period of 3 years. And only Indian nationals should apply. Experience and age will be calculated on 30th of September 2021 and after that you have to also send in your relevant application to the address which is given here. So you can find the address. Before that, If you have any queries, you can send it to the emails which is given, technical queries, non-technical queries, or any doubts which you have. You can note these emails and you can send them. Now, after filling in the application, after sending your application form, after clearing up all your documents, you have to make sure that you are sending it to the address which is given here. So you will be seeing here. So this is about payment of the fees. 200 rupees you have to pay except the reservation category candidates. And here is the address which is given where you have to send in your application and also relevant documents necessary. And if your documents are not clear, not legible, if you have incomplete applications, then your application will be rejected. And also make sure you are sending it before the last date, and make sure that you are having all the original documents ready for the document verification. Here are the important dates. Opening date for application is on 1st of October. Last date for the payment of the fees, it is 21st of October. Submission of the online application form is 22nd. Now only if you pay the fees, your application is complete and it is submitted. If you don't pay the fees, application will be rejected. And last date for the candidate to submit your prescribed proformas through email, it is on 23rd of October. And printout of the online application form is 6th of November. And tentative written test will be conducted on 7th of November. And for the publication of the selected list of the candidates, 22nd of November. And interview is going to be conducted in the month of December. In the first weeks, they have given just tentative, not exactly the dates. So you can check it out. If you have any further queries, you can put them in the comment section, or you can also directly click on the link which is provided in the description box for you to access this particular notification. And do subscribe to our channel Freshers Now, and thank you for watching.